Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to change the lock screen timeout on this device. This video shows how to control how long your screen stay on before locking. Simply go to the settings, tap on the option lock screen. Simply scroll down. Here you can see the option screen timeout. Tap on this one. So here I selected for the 10 minutes. So from the 15 seconds, we can set the screen timeout to 10 minutes. So after 15, the inactivity of your device 15 seconds, the device will automatically turn off, you can see. So if you want to change this one, you can select 30 seconds, 1 minute, 2 minutes, 5 minutes, up to 10 minutes, you can set the screen timeout. Here I am going to select the option 10 minutes. Okay, so simply in this way we can change the lock screen timeout on this device. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.